Explain solid principles. We have 5 solid principles in Java. This is a system designing question. It can be asked in any interview. Without, if you fail to answer, you are rejected in the interview. First one, single responsibility principle, open or closed principle, list of substitution principle, interface aggregation principle, dependency inversion principle. First one, single responsibility principle. Every class must have a single responsibility. That means one class should have one job. Here we have a user service, and we have a user service class, and we have a user service method, and one more send email method. These are the different functionality. Why should I bind into a user service class? It's a bad design. The good design is user service, and it do the create user method. That's okay. Then we separate the class email service as a separate class, and with the method send email method. So each class have a single responsibility. So it is achieved one class as one job only. Second principle, open close principle. Classes should be open for extension but closed for modification. It means you should not have to modify existing classes to add new features. So here payment service class we have pay method is there, and we are doing credit and debit. If you want to implement new payment service payment, we have to modify this class. That's a bad design. Good example is create a payment interface and abstract method pay. Then write each class like a credit class, separate classes like credit payment, debit payment, and those are implemented payment. So override a payment method. Here you can add new payment types without changing the code. This is a good design. Third one, list of substitution principle. This is important question. So how the question asked means explain solid principles in Java and explain what are the solid principles in Java. Explain list of substitution principle. So this question asked in this way. So you have to explain like this. You must be able to replace a superclass object with a subclass object without breaking the program. So here class bird we have, and it has a method fly method, and next class duck extends bird. So it works fine because bird can fly, and class ostrich extends bird, but ostrich cannot fly. It breaks the functionality. Fourth one, interface segregation principle. We should build small focus interfaces that don't force the client to implement behavior. Means we have a worker interface and we have two methods, work abstract methods, work and eat. So if a class, suppose a robot implements a worker, robot can work, that's okay. Robot can eat, no, right? It breaks the functionality. So robot don't eat is a bad design. So we have to design the class system like we should take a workable as an interface, and we have to override create a abstract method work, and we have to create one more interface eatable that has the abstract method eat. Suppose a class human implements workable and eatable interfaces, so we have to override work and eat, so this works fine. But and a class robot implements workable, we have to override work only, not eat. So yeah, this solve the problem. And dependency for fifth one, dependency inversion principle. High level modules should not depend on low level modules. Means we have MySQL database we have, and we will do method like connect. A user service class we have, and we are creating the object MySQL database, and we are when we are calling get user db.connect. This is a bad design, tightly coupled with MySQL only. If you want to introduce new Oracle SQL connection, it fails. So we have to design the system like database, create an interface database, and write the method connect, and write the classes how many you want, like a MySQL database, PostgreSQL, Oracle database, implement a database, and write and create object connect. So it solve the problem. So high level code depends on interface, not at implementation. It is easy to switch the databases and mount the text. Okay, please follow me, comment, like, share for more interview questions. Thank you.